Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable the screensaver in your Shelly Wall Display X2. First tap this gear icon over here and here tap on the screen. Now as you can see we have enable screensaver. We can enable the screensaver and set it up to our own needs. For example, the priority element, time, humidity or temperature. We can enable disable the show media controls and music or Sonos as you can see, but we don't have the Sonos speaker. Here as you can see we have show kind weather and show photos from the library. You can set this all up to your own needs. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!